The robot revolution, friend or foe? Headlines scream about robots stealing jobs. It's easy to feel afraid, uncertain about the future. Will AI make your skills obsolete? It's a valid concern. But here's the good news. History shows us that technological advancements create more jobs than they eliminate. We've seen it before with the Industrial Revolution and the rise of computers. The key is adaptation. Just like our ancestors learned new skills to thrive in a changing world, we must do the same. This isn't about fighting AI but working alongside it. This new era offers exciting opportunities for those prepared to embrace the change. It's about understanding the challenges and equipping ourselves with the tools and knowledge to succeed. AI on the rise. A look at today's job market. AI is already changing how we work. From chatbots answering customer queries to algorithms sorting through mountains of data, AI is taking over repetitive, rule-based tasks. This frees up humans for more complex and creative work. Take the medical field. AI can now analyze medical images with incredible accuracy, aiding doctors in diagnosis. This doesn't replace doctors. It gives them more time to focus on patient care and treatment plans. In manufacturing, robots are taking over dangerous or repetitive tasks, improving safety and efficiency on the factory floor. Jobs in the crosshairs. Who's feeling the heat? While AI creates opportunities, some jobs are indeed at higher risk of automation. These are typically roles involving repetitive manual tasks or data processing. Think factory workers, truck drivers, or data entry clerks. But even within these sectors, there's hope. Take truck driving. While AI is making self-driving trucks a reality, the transition will take time. This provides an opportunity for drivers to upskill, perhaps learning how to operate or maintain these new vehicles. The human edge. What AI can't replicate yet. The good news is, AI excels at mimicking human intelligence, but it can't replicate it entirely. There are uniquely human skills that remain in high demand. These are the skills that will make you invaluable in the AI age. Creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving top the list. AI can analyze data, but it can't think outside the box or come up with innovative solutions like humans can. Emotional intelligence is another crucial skill. AI can't understand or respond to human emotions with empathy and compassion. So how do you thrive in this new world of work? The answer lies in lifelong learning and embracing new skills. Focus on developing your uniquely human abilities. Take online courses, attend workshops, or pursue further education. Develop your critical thinking skills by analyzing information, questioning assumptions, and forming your own conclusions. Hone your communication and collaboration skills, as the ability to work effectively in teams will be crucial. Education is more critical now than ever before, but it's not just about traditional degrees. It's about continuous learning, adapting to the changing needs of the job market. Seek out training programs in fields experiencing growth due to AI, like data science, software development, or AI ethics. Don't be afraid to learn new things, even if they seem outside your comfort zone. The more adaptable you are, the more valuable you become. The future of work is not about robots versus humans. It's about humans working alongside technology. This requires a shift in mindset. Embrace change as an opportunity for growth and reinvention. Network with others in your field, attend industry events, and stay informed about technological advancements. Cultivate a growth mindset, embracing challenges as opportunities for learning and development. Remember, the most valuable skill in the AI age is adaptability. While the fear of job displacement is understandable, it's important to remember the potential benefits of AI. By automating mundane tasks, AI can free up our time for more meaningful work. Imagine a world where you can focus on your passions, utilizing your creativity and problem-solving skills to make a real difference. AI can also improve our work-life balance. With increased automation, we may see shorter work weeks and more flexible work arrangements. This could lead to a healthier, happier workforce with more time for family, hobbies, and personal pursuits. The future with AI is not something to fear, but something to embrace. It's a future full of opportunities for those willing to adapt and evolve. By focusing on our uniquely human skills and embracing lifelong learning, we can not only survive but thrive in this exciting new era. Let's face the future with courage, curiosity, and a commitment to lifelong learning. The future of work is in our hands. Let's make it bright.